Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are managing a site with Squarespace in 2026 and you have changed URLs, deleted pages or restructured your sites, setting up 301 redirects is essential for SEO and user experience. A 301 redirect permanently sends visitors and search engines from an old URL to a new one without breaking links or rankings. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to create a 301 redirect in Squarespace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So before you start, prepare the old URL path, the new URL path. Squarespace uses relative URLs, no domain needed. Okay, so open the URL mappings panel. So log into Squarespace, open your website, go to web home, settings. Now look for advanced and then URL mapping. So this is where all redirects live. Now understand the redirects format. Squarespace uses this format, for example, slash old at that URL. So always start URLs with a slash. So in the URL mapping box, add one redirect per line, simple, clean, permanent. So Squarespace treats all mapping as 301 redirects. Then click save. So redirects are live immediately. No publish button needed. Test right away. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.